this, you guys. I'm actually in the women's department and it's kind of late. I'm surprised there's not more people here, but I wanted to show you these. Looks like, I don't know what this is. This is Athletic Works and it says inner short and it's super cute. I thought it were shorts, but it kind of looks like a skirt. Let me move the camera back. All right, so you guys can see it has the string here. Kind of looks like a skirt, but it has the shorts underneath or something. This one is an extra small. I'm trying to see if there's a name. It says AW skirt with under shorts. So it's super cute. So they have this one in black. And let me show you the UPC. And you guys can see the regular price is $16.97. They also have this in gray. Look at that. This is nice. And the material is really soft. So this is the gray. There's the UPC for this one. And I'm going to go on this side. You have the olive green. Super nice. There's the UPC for the olive green. And then they have this nice burgundy one. Look at that. Super cute. You guys can see the UPC. And I'm going to come around here. I cannot believe this price. Almost walked past it. This is why you guys got to look all around the store. I did scan these. Again, it comes in gray, olive green, burgundy, and black. You guys can see the regular price is $16.96. And look at this. Boom. They're only $5. $5, you guys. And they do have my size. I don't know. I might grab just a few for $5 because it was $16.96. That's a great price. So I'm going to come back because Manny has the cart. And then these right here, I'm going to show you in a second. These were $19.94 down to $7. All right. And I'm going to show you. These are Lee straight mid-rise regular fit pants. So it look like these are the beige. And these are nice if you guys need some of these for work. Again, this is the straight. What did I say? Oh, the straight. All right. It says soft comfort waistband. And again, remember the regular price is $19.94, so about $20. And again, down to $7. That is a great price, especially for, and look at this. This actually says $24.94. So here it says $24.94. Here it says $19.94. And right here, it says $7. Matter of fact, you know, it's funny. I'm about to break it down. Look at this. It says $24.94 here, right? It says $19.94 here. Then it says $18.94. And then it says $7. So I don't know. It looked like this one had about 4 or 5 different prices. But here's the UPC. All right. And I'm going to come around here. Oh, these are cute. And this looks like my, oh no, I'm not a size 2. I used to before all the kids. I'm like a size 5, 6. I thought this was my size, but these are super cute. You know what? I might get this for my daughter. Here's a pair of Time and True. And this says, let me see, something waistband. Sorry, this thing is covering it, but it does say high-rise boot cup. So these are really cute. Let me show you the back. So I'm going to grab these for my daughter because she is a size 2. Regular price is $18.94. And these are only $7 too. Here's some more Time and True. And this is size 10. This is the high rise. Super cute. Walmart has cute jeans. All right, so you got the blue jeans. And let's see. There's that tag. Regular price $18.94 down to $7. $7, you guys. Only on Angel on the Go. If you guys find these, let us know below. All right, I just found another one, you guys. So the one I just showed you is this one. And it looks like this one is a little bit darker. And this is also time and true. And look at this, you guys. I cannot believe these jeans are only $7. Let's see. Okay, there you guys go. $7. So they have these time and true for $7. And sorry, this one doesn't have a UPC. It looked like someone tore it off, so they only have this. This one right here, only $7. There's the UPC. The black ones, which I'm gonna get for my daughter, $7. There's the UPC. All right. And then they have these. And these, also $7. Sorry, let me show you this one. $7. And the UPC. And you guys can't beat this name brand. Let me know if you score any of these pants or jeans for only $7. Good luck. Look at this, you guys. This is a full queen Mainstays serpa blanket. And I wasn't gonna film this, but after I felt it, I had to. You guys, this is one of the softest blankets I've ever felt. Again, this is Mainstays serpa blanket, and it's a year-round comfort and warmth. It is 90-inch by 90-inch, so 90 by 90. Super soft. Look at this, you guys. Oh, I am super cheap. This is a full queen. Here's the UPC. But I am thinking about grabbing this. They have a few over here. I'm in the clearance aisle, and the regular price is $19.72. I scanned it. It is down to $11, which is an okay price. But you guys, this is so soft. If you guys are in Walmart and you see this blanket, feel it. If it's $11, I would say get it. Again, here's the UPC, and it's only $11. Super soft. All right, guys, look at this. This is Eurozone, and this is the children's plastic hangers. You guys, this is another boom from Angel on the Go. Again, this is the children's plastic hangers, and it comes with 50.
Crazy.
That is a lot. It comes in this cute box. Look at the box, you guys. All right, and again, it comes with 50. It's called Eurozone. Here's the UPC. And you guys, they're only $3. $3. $3. So they have the white. And then Manny found this one. This one is super cute. This is the pink. Is this the only pink they have?
I think so.
Oh, okay. So all the ones we found so far are the white ones. But we also found one box of the pink. And again, this one is also the 50-pack. Eurozone. And it says great for organizing child-sized clothing. I use these for my 8-year-old's clothes. So these work perfect. And let me show you the UPC for the pink. So this is for the pink again. And this one right here is for the white. And again, only $3. What happened?
It's gray.
Oh, that's gray. Okay, I thought that was white. All right, so we found 3 colors. We found the white, the pink, and Manny just found the gray. I'm so tired. I thought that was white. All right, so this is a light gray color. And again, 50-pack, Eurozone. And let me go ahead and show you the UPC for the gray. Look at this, you guys. That's not it. These are for the pillows. Right here, $3. And we scanned them all, and they're all coming up $3. So you know what we're going to do? We are about to take these. You cannot beat $3. We're loading up the cart. If you guys are able to find these in Walmart, again, this is the Eurozone children's plastic hangers, and it comes in a pack of 50. Look at that. So again, the colors that we found.
Oh, look, blue.
Oh, blue. Okay, let's put this over here. All right, so we keep finding more colors. Here's the light blue, which is a really nice one. Again, 50. And the light blue UPC. And again, only $3. So you guys are going to be looking out for the white, the gray, the pink, and the light blue for only $3. $8. You cannot beat this price. Let's see how many Manny got so far. You got enough?
There's still some on the shelf.
All right. And just to let you know, my son has enough hangers. So you know what this is for? Reselling. Only $3 on Angel on the Go. That's what it looks like again. And again, the brand is Eurozone. All right. You got enough?
I got another blue one on the way.
Oh, another blue one. All right. All right. So we're about to pack up. This is all that we got. And let us know below if you guys score. All right, you guys, we are at the register checking out with these supposedly $3 hangers. And we're scanning them one by one. You guys can see, look at this. We're the only ones here at this register. But look at this. You guys can see here the 50 pack of hangers, $3. 50 pack of hangers, 50 cents?
The blue ones came up like that.
50 cents? 50 pack, $3.50. Which one is 50 cents?
The blue one I just scanned, so the other blue one's probably in there.
Okay, so I think the blue ones are actually scanning up 50 cents.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's the gray, so let's see.
That's 3. I
Okay,
hate the gray.
the gray one is ringing up 3. Do we have another blue?
Nah, just the 2.
All right, you just gonna stack them? Look at that. They gonna tumble.
Nah.
All right,
I'm gonna do the other side.
what color is that?
It's gray.
Gray. $3. I cannot believe the light blue one is 50 cents. That's crazy. All right, we're stacking, you guys. Manny's crazy. They're gonna fall down.
How like that?
They're gonna fall over. Now I'm just gonna be laughing.
Oh, maybe the pink ones are down too.
Did you scan the pink one?
Nah, not yet.
Manny, that's gonna fall. Look, it's wobbling.
Dang it.
Okay, no, the pink one is also $3, you guys. Okay, so the only one that is, if you guys can find the blue, which is this one, the blue is only 50 cents. 50 cents. That means we gotta go to a couple more before we go home. You guys, 50 cents. That's even better. All right, so 50 cents for these, $3 for the gray, $3 for the white, and $3 for the pink right here. And so far, for all the hangers in our cart, we're only paying $42.80. All right, here's Manny. Look at this. This is crazy. Manny, this has to be the thumbnail. Take a picture right here. All right, you guys, we'll be right back.